So an Advantage plan is typically zero premium, and it's guaranteed issue, which means that even if you're sick, you can still get it. They can't deny you your service or deny your coverage. And so you're probably thinking, well, what's the deal? Why is there, it's like free insurance? Yeah. It's not really free. We're not supposed to call it free. It is zero premium, but here's how this works. The government makes a deal with the insurance company, with a private insurance company, and they say, if you can provide insurance that's equal to or better than what we provide, then we will give you X number of dollars per person for each person that you enroll in your plan. And the insurance company says, great, we like government money. And therefore, we want to sign up as many people as possible. So they try to make their plan a little more compelling or interesting than the other guy's plan. They're being more competitive. So they add supplemental benefits. Medicare Part C and Advantage are synonymous. They mean the same thing. And calling it Medicare is a little bit of a misnomer because it's provided by a private insurance company. So this private insurance company takes over what's happening here. And they may bundle with that Part D. D is for drugs. You can remember that. And they may also include some dental, vision, and hearing coverage. It may not be the best dental, vision, and hearing coverage ever, but it makes for good marketing. Might include fitness benefits. If you've ever seen a late night commercial with J.J. Walker or Joe Namath talking about all the great things that you can get with their Advantage plan, and it won't cost you a dime, that's what they're talking about. But fact is, it doesn't cost, even though it may be zero premium or a low premium, some of them do have a premium, although it may not have much to pay on the front end, those insurance guys, they're not dummies. So they're going to get their money from you one way or the other. And they're going to get it on the back end in the form of out-of-pocket costs. That would be deductibles and copayments and coinsurance. And when you're looking at a summary of benefits for these, they look very attractive. You look at it and you say, oh, wow, I can go see my primary care physician and it costs me zero.